Can Doberman Pinschers be trained for protection work? Doberman Pinschers are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and athleticism. They are a breed that has gained popularity as a family pet, as well as in various working roles such as police and military dogs. One of the most common questions asked about Dobermans is whether they can be trained for protection work. In this article, we will explore the potential of Doberman Pinschers as protection dogs and what it takes to train them for such a role. When considering whether a Doberman Pinscher can be trained for protection work, it is important to understand the breed's temperament. Dobermans are naturally protective and instinctively loyal to their families. They have a strong desire to please their owners and are highly trainable. These characteristics make them a suitable candidate for protection work. To train a Doberman for protection work, it is crucial to start with a sound foundation in basic obedience training. This includes commands such as sit, stay, recall, and heel. Obedience training establishes a line of communication between the dog and its handler and teaches the dog to respond promptly to commands. It also helps to develop trust and a strong bond between the dog and its owner. Once the Doberman has mastered basic obedience training, the next step is to introduce it to protection-specific training. This includes teaching the dog to distinguish between friendly and threatening situations. It should learn to alert its handler when it senses danger and to react appropriately to potential threats. Protection training for Dobermans often involves teaching them to bite on command. This is done through the use of a bite sleeve or a bite suit, which provides the dog with a proper target for biting. It is important to note that this training should be conducted under the guidance of a professional dog trainer experienced in protection work. Training a dog to bite without the proper guidance can lead to aggression and behavior problems. In addition to bite training, Dobermans can also be taught to bark on command. This can serve as a deterrent to potential intruders, as the dog's loud and intimidating bark can alert its owner and scare off any threats. Barking on command can be taught using positive reinforcement techniques, rewarding the dog for barking when given the command. Socialization is another crucial aspect of training a Doberman for protection work. It is important to expose the dog to various environments, people, and animals from an early age. This helps to ensure that the dog remains confident and stable in different situations and reduces the risk of fear or aggression towards unfamiliar individuals or animals. Training a Doberman for protection work requires time, effort, and consistency. It is not an overnight process, and the dog needs regular practice and reinforcement to maintain its skills. Patience and understanding are key when working with Dobermans, as they are highly sensitive dogs that respond best to positive reinforcement techniques. It is also important to note that while Doberman Pinschers have the potential to excel in protection work, not all Dobermans are suited for this role. Each dog is an individual, and their temperament and genetics play a significant role in determining their suitability for protection work. Working with a reputable breeder who selects dogs with a stable temperament and working potential is essential when looking for a Doberman for protection work. In conclusion, Doberman Pinschers can indeed be trained for protection work. Their natural protective instincts, loyalty, and trainability make them a suitable candidate for this role. However, proper training and socialization are essential, and it is important to work with a professional dog trainer experienced in protection work to ensure the safety and success of the dog in this role. Training a Doberman for protection work requires dedication, patience, and a strong bond between the dog and its owner. With the right training and guidance, a Doberman Pinscher can be a loyal and effective protection dog.